If you want 5 great tips to saving more for your house deposit, then stay tuned. 5. Buy at a range lower. For example, buy supermarket brand for your groceries, or choose high street clothes that look just as fashionable, or shop for affordable furniture that look expensive but kind to your wallet. Being a savvy shopper goes a long way to being a savvy saver. 4. Put your money in a great savings account like ISAs or premium bonds since they are tax-free, or into a high-interest savings account on fixed terms that work for you, if you are locking in for a few years until you are ready to search for your fantastic home. 3. Use the skills or knowledge you have from your daily job and repurpose them to a side hustle. If you have time to learn a new skill, then take advantage of that, as that could upskill you for the side hustle. Or get a part-time job at the weekend or evenings to earn a few quid. Next, please support the channel and get notified of more great tips by knocking on the like and subscribe button. Go on, it will help a lot. 2. Pay off high interest loans and credit cards, as these high costs are eating into your potential to save as much as you can for your deposit. If you have multiple loans or credit cards, then look to consolidate these into a single plan so you can get smart with repayments and get rid of those high cost debts as quickly as you can. 1. Ask for a pay rise that is in line with your hard work and contribution. If you feel you should be paid at your market rate for the job you do, then speak to your manager openly and honestly. Make sure you are paid fairly, as your time is valuable. Share this with your friends and family who are looking to saving more. I also want to know what your top tips are. Comment below and I'll catch you at the next one.